It's a lovely Sunday, Tuesday morning. I'm back in plot 2 because I want to show you what it looks like. One serious radiator. I mean, actually, so that's it's a pretty serious freestanding bath, isn't it? Lovely. Lovely. Look at that shower head. Everything's in. The blinds are in. This is what they call the Jack and Jill.
No one can take it.
With your double doors. There's one. There's another. There's all the shower. All nicely tidied up. That was lovely. And last but not least, they put a glass staircase in. That was gorgeous. Everything's all been sort of tidied and dusted and well, they put lino down. Shower screens on. Showers in. Wow. I actually feel a little bit tearful really. I know that sounds pathetic by you crying globe. I started in that room there 2 months ago and I worked my way down into the Jack and Jill, which is there. And I went from there, if I remember rightly, to here, into the main one. And obviously out in plot 1, which is morning, Paul.
Morning, Dan. I don't want to be on camera.
You're alright. Which is there. I've had a real good time with this guy. It's a bit sorrowful. Anyway, where was it? Oh yeah. We're back in. The story I was going to tell you is I've done it all in reverse.